Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 1, Revision Lessons, Unit number 3, Lesson number 6, and it's on page number 26. Open your books, page number 26. Here you have given lesson number 6 and the name of lesson is Things. On page number 26, you have given here some things like some daily usable things and things like cupboard, glass, candle, bottle, spoon, table, lamp and bus. You can look all these things in your book page number 26. You will see many of these things in a house. Take care of them. Keep everything in its proper place. Okay, now here you have given some questions. And question number 1 is, how many things in the picture began with the letter C and B? Again, look at your book and focus on all these things and tell me which things begins with the letter C and which things begins with the letter B. First of all, tell me which things begins with the letter C. Look at your book and tell me. Yes, curtain, carpet, candle. All these three things begins with the letter C. Now the next one is letter B. So again focus on your book and tell me which things begins with the letter B. Bus, beer, ball, etc. etc. Now the question number 2 is, are these any things which began with the letter H? Look at your book, focus on all these things and tell me anything here you have given begins with the letter H? Yes, no. The answer is no. You don't have given here anything begins with the letter H. Okay, now move on the next page, page number 27. Here you have given topic the proper place. We keep our things in cupboards and drawers. What are these things called? Here you have given some things. आपने क्या बताना है? इन चीज़ों के नाम बताने, ठीक है? ड्रायर में, कबर्ड में जो भी, इस कबर्ड में जो भी थिंग्स पड़ी हुई हैं, आपने बताना है कि उनकी नेम्स क्या हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव गिवन व्हाट? यस, प्लेट्स. द सेकंड वन यू हैव गिवन कप्स. In the third box you have given bowl, and the last one you have given jug. Okay, now again you have given here some questions, and the question number 1 is, where do you keep your toys? I keep my toys in a drawers. You can write here about your choice. Okay, I write here about my choice, but you can write here about your choice. And the question number 2 is, where do you keep your books? Okay, आप मुझे बताएं कि आप अपनी बुक कहाँ रखते हैं? Yes, you write here about your choice. I write here, I keep my books in cupboard. If you keep your books in dryer or another place, so you can write here about your choice. Okay, now move on the next page, page number 28. Here you have given exercise A, and do exercise A on your book, page number 28, and it's too much easy. Hope so. You will be done. And the next one is exercise B, and exercise B is write the names of any 4 things you would find in these rooms. The first one is living room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. आपने क्या बताना है? आपने बताना है कि इन रूम्स में आपको कौन सी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. लाइक आपने 4 चीज़ों का बताना है, 4 थिंग्स का बताना है कि 4 थिंग्स यहाँ अवेलेबल होती हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ लिविंग रूम. लिविंग रूम में आपने बताना है कि कौन सी 4 थिंग्स अवेलेबल होती हैं. बेडरूम्स में कौन सी 4 थिंग्स होती हैं, उन 4 थिंग्स के नेम्स लिखने आपने. बाथरूम में 4 थिंग्स कौन सी होती हैं, उनके नेम लिखने. एंड द लास्ट वन इज किचन. किचन में ऐसी कौन सी 4 चीज़ें होती हैं, 4 चीज़ें होती हैं. आपको जो भी पता होगा आप उसके नाम राइट करेंगे, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट वन इज लिविंग रूम. Here you have given or you would find in living room. The first one is chair, table, sofa set and cupboard. इसके अलावा अगर कोई और चीज़ भी लिविंग रूम में होती है तो आप वो भी यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. The next one is bedroom. You would find these 4 things in bedrooms. The first one is bed, second one is lamp, third one is clock, and the fourth one is curtains. And the next one is bathroom. बाथरूम में क्या क्या होता है, कोई सी भी 4 चीज़ों के नेम आपने बताने हैं. The first one is mug, towel, bulb and tap. And the last one is kitchen. किचन में कोई सी भी आपने ऐसी 4 चीज़ें बतानी हैं जो कि आपको किचन में अवेलेबल होती हैं. जो चीज़ें किचन में ही रखी होती हैं उन्हीं चीज़ों के आपने नेम बताने हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज शेल्फ, नाइफ, डस्टबिन and spoon. You would find all these things or all 4 things in bathroom, kitchen. Now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe and best of luck for your exam. Allah Hafiz.